French Air Force their hats in Indochina during the 1950s. They then passed to the South Vietnamese Air Force, and the Royal Thai Air Force was another user of this aircraft. It has proved very, very successful on limited air races at Reno and other places for more than 50 years. This one was among the first aircraft to be acquired for the fleet of what's now known as the fighter collection. It's been based at Duxford since 1984, where the US Navy colour schemes under an aircraft operated by Fighter Squadron BF-20, named the Jokers. Getting airborne now, underneath one of the stars of our show, the Lockheed 12A. We're now looking out for a very special formation indeed, one that salutes in particular the exploits of an Australian-born aviator, adventurer, inventor, and much else besides, Sidney Cotton. Through World War I, when he was in service with the Royal Naval Air Service, Cotton came up with a new type of flying suit called the Sid Cotton suit. He went on to have numerous colourful escapades afterwards, including flying for seal spotting in Newfoundland, and also quite a few business ventures that proved less than successful. Cotton was facing financial difficulties when Wing Commander Fred Winterbottom, the head of the air section of the British Secret Intelligence Service, the SIS, otherwise known as MI6, recruited him to head up the flying side of a new SIS reconnaissance operation as war clouds gathered in Europe and traditional sources of SIS intelligence dried up. It started life as a bilateral agreement with the French, with both Britain and France, requiring up-to-date aerial intelligence. The SIS was to buy the aircraft with a French financial contribution. An American cabin monoplane was recommended to Winterbottom. That choice fell on the Lockheed 12A. The first sample was delivered new in February 1939, owned officially by the Aeronautical Research and Sales Corporation, a front for the SIS. The idea was that a civilian registered aircraft on business would attract attention and could thus operate covertly. It was fitted out for reconnaissance duties and flown from French bases over Germany and out of Tunis to capture images of Italian possessions in the Mediterranean and the Red Sea. That aircraft was handed over to the French for their own operation. The second new 12A went almost straight to France. The SIS needed a new airplane of its own. The Lockheed 12A Electra Junior that leads this formation running in from the left with the Spitfire PR-11 was that very aeroplane operated on behalf of the Secret Intelligence Service before World War II. And here it is for its first public airshow display since restoration. the aircraft restoration company Spitfire PR-11, because a direct line can be traced from the employment pre-war of the Lockheed 12 for covert reconnaissance to the development of the dedicated RAF photographic reconnaissance capability with suitably equipped Spitfire. This Lockheed 12A, leading this formation, was the first production prototype example of the type, made its maiden flight in 1936 and was delivered to the Continental Oil Company at Ponca City in Oklahoma. It was then captured from the American embassy in 1939 and sailed to the Secret Intelligence Service through the means of British Airways Limited. It was shipped to the UK aboard the SS Aquitania and reassembled by Tunlith Owen Aircraft at Eastleigh in Southampton. It was then flown again on the 11th of May, registered Golf Alpha Foxtrot Tango Lima, the same registration as is installed today. And it went on to be converted for reconnaissance work by Tunlith Owen and air work based out of England. They installed a pair of 16-inch square camera ports in the bottom of the fuselage, in which were mounted a split pair of F-24 reconnaissance cameras with a 10% overlap in the middle. They also added an aperture in the cabin door for a handheld F-24 or Leica 250 reporter camera, and small camera ports in the wing leading edges between the engines and the fuselage, each for a single forward-facing Leica reporter. It was Cotton's assistant photographer, Patricia Martin, who devised two further modifications: a teardrop window on the port side of the cockpit, which isn't included on this aircraft today, which could act as another handheld camera position, and also, crucially, pipework to divert hot air from the engine exhausts across the lens of the starboard belly camera to avoid that lens fogging at higher altitudes. It was flown operationally by Cotton and his regular co-pilot, a Canadian flying officer Bob